When I'm in the streets, I'm on angles. In a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bank rolls, cause I got bank rolls. And I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it, work wasn't quick enough. So I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house. Out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make sure.
Alright, what's up everyone? We out here with Kobe, Zay, we got Creed, and Fat Creed in the crib. And you know, we about to be out here catching some work and some stuff. And stay tuned. Alright. I have not done any combos on this yet.
Yet?
Not yet. Whoa. First combo on this bike. And I landed it. My shoulder still hurts a lot, but it's cool. This front end is super light. I think I could pick it up from the... Whoa.
Okay.
These brakes gotta break in. I'm liking it so far. Eighth and South.
Right now?
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Ooh.
Woo! I'll be right at you. I don't got no brakes. I'll be at everybody. I gotta fix it. I can't. Saucy.
I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna go through here. Ah. Dang it. What?
You might get my bus.
Who, me?
No, him. What?
Oh my god.
Back, stop! You gonna go back? They been on the bus. They been on the bus.
Real Chris.
You long ass tires.
Dang.
Yo, that fucking plane just got pulled over.
Oh! You dropped
Nah, guy, he tried like I fucked him up.
You say, yo, that plane just got pulled over? What?
Boy, straight looked up.
He's like, oh shit, airport cops.
Airplane cop. Watch out for that cop on rollerblades.
Hey, that guy's taking pictures.